Super grateful po ako sa mga tao na nag-work behind the song. Ano lang to talagang passion lang for music. I'm not really expecting anything na bumalik na ganon kalaking achievement. But, thank God and of course, thank the people who trusted me, who believed in me until this day. And I thank myself for it too. Kasi ako talaga, I had like a low self-esteem dati. But now, seeing my name on the charts, the top of it, di ba? So good day to celebrate OPM.
Naging teary-eye ka ba? Naging emotional ka ba when you found out, sinabi ng team sa'yo?
Ay, opo talaga. As in, OA po ako talaga umiyak. So, ano po, lagi naman po ako emotional, but for this one talaga, it's really something na I will never forget until the day na pag matanda na ako. Like, Maki is the first ever, like, nasa top 100 or Hot 100 Billboard, or first for the first time. So, grabe po.
Parang more than yung number one, parang it translates na ganito kadami yung nakikinig ng music ko, ano something,
Yeah.
na hindi lang siya yung number kasi na
It's the people who support you.
Yeah.
People of different ages.
Correct.
Actually, super overwhelmed din po ako pag may mga nakakilala po sa akin in public. Like, literally. Kasi mostly talaga, I just do music for music. So, grabe po yung love ng mga tao. And especially for the OPM scene as well, na sobrang dami ko rin kasama dito sa charts, which I really love and I really adore as a musician as well. So, grabe, sobrang thriving, sobrang alive ng OPM, and I'm just really glad to be a part of it.
Paano ka pinupush nito to be better and to give and provide more music for your fans?
Siguro po ako mas nagkakaroon ako ng motivation to do more. Kasi po ako, I believe na whenever I work on something talaga, I always do the best that I can. So, ayun, talagang more and more and more.
Naki, nasulat mo yung song noong August 2023 naman.
Yeah.
So, have you ever predicted that it will become this successful?
No. But I knew from the start when I was writing this song, when we were producing this song as well, na it will create an impact to a lot of people, especially the people who lack self-esteem or lack self-love. Ako para sa akin, talagang nung sinabi ko, kasi ang dami nagtatanong kung ano yung meaning ko para kanino. So nung lumabas na yung song at last, sinabi ko talaga kung para kanino, it's for myself. And gusto ko rin pakinggan ng mga tao na yung song na to, pakinggan nila in the perspective na kinakantahan nila yung sarili nila.
Last question na ako. Parang it's such a beautiful time for OPM ngayon. No?
Yeah.
Especially ngayon, ang dami rin talaga yung singer-songwriters. And it doesn't also make it special na yung kinanta, talagang parang baby mo ito kasi nila.
Yeah. Oo, talagang craft ko to eh. So, like, whenever I make a song, talagang para sa akin, I will listen to it. Actually, maraming artists ang hindi nakikinig sa songs nila, but I always listen to it. Sinasabi nga nila sa akin minsan, sasawa ka na ba? Sabi ko, hindi talaga. Bakit? Ito, sasawa. Ang ganda-ganda ng song.
O Maki, what's next after this? Ano bang aabangan mong pasabog? Yung mga pwede mo nang ikwento at pahapyaw. Glimpse.
Basta for the next one, it won't be too different.
Okay.
For sure, makaka-relate ang mas maraming tao sa next song. At basta 2024 will be colorful. Yun lang yung masasabi.
Sorry, very, very last na. Parang na-mention ko sa singular interview natin na it's such a nice feeling din na kayo yung mga young people.
Yeah.
Ano people na dati na hindi naman yung kumukubok sa ulit.
Yeah.
And now it's you guys. Parang it's such a
That's
fun time
why.
na you're innovative.
next batch.
Yeah, the next batch.
Yeah.
You're not carrying the
You're
curve.
not
Yeah.
afraid to experiment. You're not afraid to experiment.
Yeah, exactly. And yung to mention din, yung being an inspiration to the next generation as well. So parang kanina when I was singing sa isang segment or sa isang show, a lot of kids were cheering for me, yung mga bata na kinakanta yung songs ko. So I got really inspired because of that kasi I'm becoming a part of their childhood as well. Kasi music, ang laki ng impact niya sa music sa mga bata, even to me, when I was growing up. So, grabe.
Thank you, Maggie.
Thank you!